In this video, we will do exercise 4.4 of practical geometry. Let us start exercise 4.4, in which 3 sides and 2 angles are given. So let us start. Construct the following quadrilateral DEAR, in which DE 4 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 4.5 cm, measure angle E 60 degree, measure angle A 90 degree. Draw a rough sketch. This is just a rough sketch. See, I have started D from here. DE 4 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 4.5 cm, measure angle E 60 degree, measure angle A 90 degree. So this is how we had constructed this figure. Now as per the rule, you have to draw this base first. So place your scale over here and try to get 5 cm, which is over here as per our rough sketch, 5 cm. Put a dot and draw a line segment. And write down a first step, that is step of construction. Draw EA equals to 5 cm. After that, we need to draw this ray, which is of 60 degree, and measure angle A of 90 degree. So how to get? You can draw such angle with protractor also, and it is possible with this compass also, 60 degree. So let us first construct 60 degree. So with center E, take any measure, convenient measure, and try to draw an arc in this way. Then wherever it get cut, with the same measure you cut that previous arc. You cut that previous arc. So wherever it get cut, it is our 60 degree. So try to draw one big ray, placing a scale through that point, and from here try to draw one big ray and name it EX. Name it EX, ray EX. Write down. With center E, construct ray EX such that angle XEA is 60 degree. Now with center A, we have to construct 90 degree. So again place your compass on A and take one measure, appropriate measure, and try to draw this kind of arc. Now wherever it get cut on that line segment AE, with the same measure cut it so that you can get 60 degree, and when you will put one more cut, you will get 120 degree. And dear student, we all know that 90 degree is between 60 and 120. So now you can change your measure, and what you will do, one time you place it on 60 degree and another time you place it on 120 degree. Wherever it get cut, that is our 90 degree. So place your scale like this and try to draw one big ray from A. Big ray, you have to place your scale such that that point should be visible. Try to draw one big ray and name it ray AY. Ray AY. Now write down step. With center A, construct ray AY such that angle YAE should be 90 degree. Now with center E, now we have to get these two sides. One side is of 4 cm. So try to get that 4 cm with your compass. Then place it on angle E and cut that previous ray. See, it is a 4 cm. Cut that previous ray and write down 4 cm, and wherever it get intersect, name it D. Write down. We center E, draw an arc of radius 4 cm. We had taken 4 cm with this 4 cm, intersecting ray EX. See, it intersect ray EX, this is ray EX at point D. Now in the same way, try to get this side, which is a 4.5 cm. Take 4.5 cm with your compass. Now place it on A and cut that previous arc. Cut that previous ray previous ray. See, we center A, draw an arc with radius 4.5. We had taken 4.5. See here, we center A, draw an arc with radius 4.5, intersecting ray AY, at point R, Now we got connecting point. Now last step to join DR. So joined DR, this is how we got our quadrilateral DEAR. Let us see another quadrilateral TRUE, in which 3 sides and 2 angles given. Now this is a rough sketch which I had drawn over here, rough sketch TRUE. Dear student, you can start from here also. Now I try to take those 2 given angle over the base side. So now RU measure is given 3 centimeter, TR 3.5, UE 4 centimeter, UE, and RU, which is base 3 centimeter, it is given, and measure angle R 75 degree, and measure angle U 120 degree. Dear student, this angle that is 75 degree and 120 degree is also possible. It is gettable with the help of this compass. You can go with protractor also if it is mentioned in the question, but we have to go with this compass. You should know with both. Now, as per the rule, you have to draw this base first. So RU of 3 centimeter. So try to take that 3 centimeter. You have to draw the base by putting a scale and draw a line segment of 3 centimeter and write down RU. Write down step of construction. RU equals to 3 centimeter. Now our next step is to get this 75 degree and 120 degree. 75 degree, dear student, it is a bisector of 60 and 90 degree. So first you have to construct 60 degree, then 90 degree, then bisector of both is 75 degree. So what we will do, try to draw an arc of convenient measure in this way. Then with the same measure you cut and try to get 60 degree. This is first cut will give 60 degree, second cut will give 120 degree. Then between 60 and 120 you will get 90 degree. Now try to draw that 90 degree. Try to draw one dotted line, so that here you should know it is a 90 degree. Now between 60 degree and 90 degree is 75 degree. So place one time on 60 degree and then place it on 90 degree, so that you will get 75 degree over here. So after getting 75 degree, place your scale properly over 2 point, that is on R and wherever you got your 75 degree, and draw one big ray and name it ray RX. See here, we center R, draw ray X such that XRU 75 degree. Now with center U, now you have to take this 120 degree. This is also very simple. Take any measure, draw an arc, wherever it get cut. First cut will give 60 degree, second cut will give 120 degree. Then place your scale and try to get that ray. Name it ray UY. Now write down step. With center U, draw ray UY such that angle YUR is 120 degree. Now after doing such, now these 2 sides we have to construct. So for that, this side is 3.5 centimeter. So get 3.5 centimeter with compass and draw an arc and name it T. Write down with center R. Draw an arc with radius 3.5. Draw an arc with radius 3.5 intersecting RX at T. Intersecting ray, this arc intersect this ray RX at point T. Then in the same way about this side, it is a 4 centimeter. Get 4 centimeter. Then place it on U and try to draw an arc. Step. With center U, draw an arc with radius 4 centimeter intersecting ray UY at point E. Write down E. Now after getting both connecting point, join TE. This is how we got our quadrilateral TRUE.